Good evening, respected judges, fellow participants, and the lovely audience. We bring to you our application Medbay ensuring citizen health always. We introduce you to our team troubleshooters comprising of myself and Jayed. We are from VIT from 2018-2022 batch of computer science. Moving on, here are a few statistics that will help you understand the foundation of our application better. Now let's have a personal trip to understand the problems faced by these people and how Medbay caters to the demands. So we have 35-year-old homemaker Jessica who uses our AI-based diet planner and group yoga application. Then we have 71-year-old Amy who is a happy user of Medbay's heart rate predictor and also the medical chatbot for personalized disease, doctor and drug recommendation. The main features of our application include an online pharmacy store, AI-based diet planner and drug recommender, a heartbeat monitoring system, brain games for relaxation, depression chatbot and a group yoga application. So the first module is the Rapid API integration, and Rapid API is done into our application and has been done to include the WhatsApp and SMS features. Automated messages with a successful order delivery status is sent to the user using Rapid's SMS service, and also automated message with order ID and order details upon successful order placing is sent to user using Rapid's SMS service. And using Rapid's WhatsApp messaging service, we have also included an automated WhatsApp message to be sent including the top 5 recommendations, and also booking appointment confirmation with doctors is available in our application, the confirmation of which is also sent to the user via Rapid's WhatsApp messaging service. Now let's have a look at the architecture of our application. The Medbay platform is connected via Django both in the front end and back end with the PostgreSQL DB. The AI diet planner and drug recommender uses TensorFlow, Redis and various recommendation algorithms. The MedShop is a unique implementation of Rasa for chatbot, TensorFlow for the genetic recommendation algorithm and NLP for customer sentiment analysis. Lastly, the group yoga and workout planner is a stellar implementation of TFPOS for posture detection, OpenCV for image processing and accompanied by various deep learning algorithms. All of this is for the top with various cloud services making our application efficient and feasible for use by each and everyone. The unique features include an auto-ordering voice-enabled chatbot for the older generation, a genetic algorithm to rank the local pharmacy stores giving them a chance to flourish, an accurate personalized diet and drug recommender with a robust input of customer preferences which you can import into the other modules of our application, a very unique medical test price comparison portal, a group yoga application, and in the end it's a one-stop telehealth platform catering to all customer demand. Since we feel that Medbay is an industry-ready application, we have made a business model for the same. Now let's look how Medbay lives up to the values of society by supporting integrity, performance, innovation, relationship and compassion. Medbay is definitely a one-stop application for all health issues for all age groups. Now moving on to the application demo, this is the welcome page of Medbay. Here before signing in, we can make use of our chatbot where we can type in the symptoms that we are suffering from, and our chatbot will take in the input and try to predict the disease and the type of doctor that we might want to consult with. Then after logging in, we will be redirected to the home page of Medbay where you can see there is a doctor appointment portal that is there, and once you click on the booking appointment, the booking confirmation is sent to you via Route Mobile's WhatsApp SMS service, and there are other records like medical records and billing sections there, and also there is the AI diet planner and recommender. So where then you sign in, you first have to go into our profile section where you have to fill in your basic details and also the food and medical history like the favorite food you prefer, the diet, cuisines, nutrients, and also any past medical history or past medical records or diseases that you're suffering from. And our AI recommender will be recommending the particular diets for you or the meals for you that will be very essential based on all the calorie requirements along with the prices and etc. And then moving forward, we also have a salary based system to recommend it on a week basis, and then we also have the top 5 recommendations along with the calorie categories to be sent to you via WhatsApp messaging service of Route Mobile. Moving on to the next application, which is the Ayurmed. Here you can see after logging in as a customer, we can see the order details as well as the different products that are available here, and we have a voice based chatbot where you can add in any medicine, whether it be it allopathy, homeopathy or Ayurvedic medicines, and you can use in our voice enabled chatbot system which is specially made for the disabled people to give them a chance to have a better understanding of application. And here you can see once we type the keyword checkout, all the different items are added to our cart as you can see here, and then we can click on the checkout form and then fill in our basic details and also make use of a Stripe integrated payment gateway system to finish our checkout process, which makes the entire system totally seamless as well as highly secured. As you can see, this is the Ayurmed payment portal system. You just have to give in your basic details, the card number and etc. required for the security purposes, and our Stripe payment gateway system would be working on it in the background and make your payment as seamless and successful as possible. And after that, you will be redirected to the order successful page along with a Route API integration here, where the order successfully placed would be sent to you as a form of an SMS. As you can see here that I've shown delivery update has been preceded here, and here you can see there's a WhatsApp there's a SMS messaging service that has been delivered to you that the order has been placed successfully. Now you can view your order list and the order status as well, and then for every particular product, you can see the list of vendors selling the particular medicine. Using our genetic algorithm, we are ranking the vendors, and here we also have a real-time sentiment analysis system where you can live in your feedback about the product or even the delivery process, and you can in the real time the star ratings would be updated. As you can see, a positive star rating is updated here. So while signing up as a customer, as you can see, we are taking the latitude longitude as that will be used as our geolocation coordinates for the genetic algorithm that we're using to rank the vendors. Now we are signing in as a seller, or it can be any pharmaceutical store or local pharmaceutical store that are selling the particular products. And so you can check in your product detail page, and you can add product, edit product details, and edit the quantity, the price, etc. And you can even add product using the particular information. And in the order section page, you can update the order status based on whether the order is delivered or not, and when it is delivered, then another messaging would be coming to your to the user's account using Route Mobile's API integration that your order has been successfully delivered. This makes the whole process seamless and user-centric. Then the next particular module is the drug recommenders, such as drug based on past medical history. So here, after signing in, you would also be prompted to fill in the basic details, the age, gender, etc., and then the medical preferences, which includes current diagnosed disease, any clinical medicine that you're on, medical history, the pregnancy status, allergic reactions, OTC medicinal drugs, smoking habits, and any other medicinal history or past effects that has been earlier caused by any prescribed drug. And once you fill in all the details, our machine learning algorithms will be running in the background and would try to predict the drugs that are suitable for you based on your possible side effects and all your medicinal history. And once you click on the send SMS button, it will also be sent as a WhatsApp messaging service using Route Mobile's API integration to you. And after that, we also have a group yoga application system where friends and family can tune in and perform the yoga poses that are displayed on the screen for you. And we also have a gamification component here where it will be marking you or scoring you based on the correctness of the position or the posture that you were able to do. And we have used TensorFlow PostNet here to make the process entirely real time and very effective. And we also have eTest medical portal where all the different medical test prices are compared, and it's a very useful portal for users. Thank you for watching.